If you have an older Dodge Caravan or a Chrysler Town & Country, there's a good chance your sliding door stops look like mine. This one snapped off, and the other one is completely missing. I was originally going to find replacements at a junkyard, but when I found a set of two on Amazon for around $20, this seemed like a much better option. You can replace both sides in about 20 minutes. All you need is a T25 Torx driver, starting on the passenger side, but the driver's side is basically the same process. Remove the two screws holding the old door stop in place, and clear away any broken plastic that's left behind. Normally, I'd clean this area, but I'm actually leaving the dirt for now because it gives me an outline of exactly where the original stop was positioned. These are adjustable, so that makes aligning the replacement much easier. There's also a locating peg on the back, which helps you identify which stop goes on each side. Install the new stop and tighten the screws just enough that it's secure but can still be moved. Position it inside the outline left by the old stop, then hand tighten the screws. I couldn't find any torque specs for these, so I'm just tightening them securely by hand. Before you're finished, slowly close the sliding door and make sure everything lines up properly. If it doesn't, loosen the screws and make a small adjustment. Mine lined up perfectly, so I opened and closed the door several times to make sure everything was working smoothly. Once I knew the alignment was good, I added a little white lithium grease to the contact area and the door stop itself. This should reduce friction and hopefully prevent the new stops from breaking. Now it's the same process on the driver's side. Remove the old hardware, position the replacement, tighten it, check the alignment, test the door several times, add some white lithium grease. And that's it. For around $20 and about 20 minutes of work, both sliding doors have functioning door stops again. No trip to the junkyard required.